Hey kiddos, how are you? Children, are you excited for the new video or not? I hope you all are studying well at home. So let's start with our chapter number 10 and part 2 of travel and communication.
So let's start with chapter number 10, Travel and Communication Part 2. Children, the things we are going to learn in this video will be of air travel and water travel. In the last video, we have seen about land travel. Remember? Yes. Now let's start with air travel. Children, the fastest way to travel is by air. When you want to go from one place to another in an emergency, the fastest way is to travel by air. It can reach you to any part of the world within a few hours. So it's very easy to travel and fastest to travel by air. Aeroplanes and helicopters are most popular means of air travel. So it can be asked in fill in the blanks, dash and dash are the most popular means of air travels. So you can answer aeroplanes and helicopters. They are the most popular means of air travel. People board aeroplanes from airports. From where does the aeroplane are taken or boarded? It is boarded from the airports. If you want to travel by aeroplane, you have to go to airport. Okay. All major cities in India have airports, like all metropolitan cities of India like Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, they all are having airports. Cargo aircraft carry goods to different cities and countries. You remember that in the land travel we have seen about the cargo trains or good trains which carry goods from one place to another, right? In the same way, there is a cargo aircraft which carry goods to the different cities and countries. Helicopters are smaller than aeroplanes and only a few people can travel in it. You have seen helicopter, right? Only 4 or 5 people can travel in it, and whereas in aeroplanes many people can travel in it. So helicopters are smaller than aeroplanes. They are mainly used for providing help in areas affected by floods and earthquakes. You know that when flood was there, during that time helicopters were used to help the people by throwing the food packets on terraces. They used to throw the food packets. So in this way, in floods they were helping, and during the earthquakes also rescue teams used to come and they used to help the people, those who are affected by the earthquakes. That was all about air travel. Let's go ahead with the water travel. We use boats, ships, yachts, liners and steamers to travel on water. That means these are the equipments or these are the vehicles which we can use when you want to travel on water. Which are the vehicles it can be used? Ships, yachts, liners and steamers. They are used to travel on water. After a ferry carries passenger across a river or for a short sea route. When you want to cross any river, then there is a ferry which carries a passenger from to cross one river, and it can make you reach within a few minutes over there. Okay, so from one bank of river you can reach to the its other part in very few time, and through ferry you can travel in it. Ships which carry large quantity of goods are called cargo ships. Again, there is a goods ships which we can say that carries the large quantity of goods in a ship, and oil tankers carry oil and petrol. Okay, so in the way which we have seen about air travel, about the cargo aircraft and the goods train, in the same way when we want to shift or when we want to carry goods from one part to another part, we can carry it through ships also. Okay, so oil tankers are also used to carry oil and petrol. Now, special ships called cruise ships carry passengers across the sea from one country to another. When you want to travel through one country to another through the waterways, then you can travel through ships, and these special ships are called cruise ships. Those people who are traveling for pleasure through ships, they can carry in the cruise. Means it is very luxurious types of ships. Cruise ships are very comfortable and very luxurious type. So that was all about today's video, in which we have seen about the air travel and water travel. Till the next video, everyone take care of yourself and study well. Bye bye.